Hello students, we'll solve problem based on projectile motion. For a theory and all derivations, all equations of motion for projectile motion, you can refer theory video on projectile motion that is divided in two parts, part 1 and part 2, so that we'll understand better solution of this problem. Now in this problem what is given, the figure is not given, from wording we'll try to draw figure. A shot is fired from a bullet with an initial velocity of 20 meters per second. This initial velocity is given from a point 10 meter in front of a vertical wall. That means from where it is fired, in front of a vertical wall. How much distance? 10 meter. 5 meter high means height of wall is given. The height of wall is 5 meter. From where it is projected 10 meters in front of vertical wall. And what is asked in problem? Find the angle of projection means theta 0 with the horizontal to enable the shot to just clear the wall. Means theta 0 you have to find out. Also find the range of shot where the bullet falls on the ground. Okay, what we'll do, we'll try to draw one figure here so that all distances easily we can represent here. Suppose this is nothing but a ground. Okay, this is the ground and there is a wall whose height is 5 meter, right? So say this one is nothing but 5 meter height of this wall. Okay, this is a wall and its height is given, therefore this dimension is given as what? So this one is 5 meter. Okay, this height is given as 5 meter. 5 meter height of wall, and from where it is projected to 10 meter in front of vertical wall. Therefore, if we represent a point from where it is thrown, that is nothing but say this one is a location, so this is a 10 meter, right? So this point becomes point of projection, say point O, and it is fired with some velocity. Therefore, now if we represent what will be the probable path of this particle, the expected is what? It just clears the wall at this point. Say this point A, if I'll represent. So when it is projected, right, this particle or bullet travels along a path, it just clears the wall and finally it strikes the ground somewhere here. That means the name of this point is what? B. That means in this case, from point O to point B, if we represent, this is complete range of projection. That means this one you can say it is nothing but range R, right? This is the range. And velocity of projection, if you want to represent, it is projected from point O. Therefore, this velocity of projection is nothing but what? U0, you can say, right? Always we are representing velocity of projection by U0, and angle of projection is what? It is theta 0. Okay, that means always if we try to draw figure from given wording of problem, then solving problem becomes easy. Now what data is known is from O to A, therefore we will consider motion from this point O to point A, from O to A. What is known? U0 is known. U0 is 20 meter per second. Now if you consider motion from O to A, so what horizontal distance it travels from O to A is 10 meter. That means you can say X, what is given is 10 meter. And from O to A, so point A is on the wall and height of wall is 5 meter and point A is above point of projection. That means this Y is positive, plus 5 meters. Okay, you know U0, you know X, you know Y, and you have to find out what? Theta 0. Now if you are recalling equation of path, that is trajectory, that equation of path is given by what? Y equal to tan theta 0 x minus gx square upon 2u0 square cos square theta 0. Now this equation, when we'll use normally this equation is in terms of 4 terms: x, y, u0 and theta 0. Out of 4 data, if any 3 are given and 1 is unknown, directly we can use equation of path for solution of problem, because in one step answer is possible. Other method is applying equations of motion in horizontal and vertical direction from O to A. Now here if we substitute our values, so y is 5 meter, theta 0 unknown, so this term will remain as it is, tan theta 0. X is what, 10 meter, minus g is 9.81, x is again 10 square upon 2, u0 is 20, so this will be 20 square, and cos square theta 0. Now if you want to solve this equation using calculator, one unknown is only 1 theta 0, but here term is what, tan theta 0, here it is what, cos square theta 0. To solve this one, you form a quadratic equation in terms of theta. So first what we'll do, this 1 upon cos square theta 0 is nothing but what, this is sec square theta 0, and then you write sec square theta 0 is what, 1 plus tan square theta 0. Okay, that means this term, you can find out this value, right? This one value will find out, and then you substitute 1 upon cos square theta 0 as 1 plus tan square theta 0 and form a quadratic equation where coefficient of tan square theta 0 is say a, plus b tan theta 0, and plus c means constant term equal to 0. So this value you will get easily, this one will get, and c also will get. And then using calculator in that an equation, that is solution of quadratic equation, if we solve, we will get this tan theta 0 value, and from that one we will get what, theta 0, that is angle of projection, which is 83.47 degrees. So this is our first answer. Now once theta 0 is known, and next what is asked is a range of projection. So to find out range of projection, we can use our equation of range, or equation of range, or what, same equation, y equal to tan theta 0 x minus g square upon 2 u0 square cos square theta 0, equation of path if we use, and we'll apply equation from now O to B, motion from O to B. So if we'll apply equation, right, from this one, motion from O to B, right, so your y term is what, 0. In same equation substituting y 0, what you can find out is x, right, or you can use equation of range, that is u0 square sine of 2 theta 0 upon g. Now u0 is known, that is 20, so 20 square, then sine of 2 into 83.47 2 theta 0 upon g. So in one step answer is possible, divided by g. Using calculator, just calculate, what range you will get is 21.02 meters. So this is the second answer. So second part you can solve applying equation of path also, but as O and B lies on same horizontal line, put y equal to 0, theta 0 what you have calculated, and what is a range, that r is an unknown term, all other terms are known, so that easily solution is possible. Thank you.